and we were discussing about that is the first and foremost chapter of chemistry is some basic concept of chemistry. In the previous classes or videos we have come across simple definitions, and today I will go further, that is the definition of mole concept and molar mass. Okay, before entering into the topic, I would like to just rewind the definition of molar mass, that is molecular mass. Why? Because molecular mass and molar mass are same. I am repeating the sentence. Molecular mass and molar mass both are same. So what is molecular mass? Molecular mass was nothing but the summation of atomic masses of all the elements present in a molecule. ठीक है, उसको बाद में देखेंगे, लेकिन पहले what do you mean by mole concept? Mole, the term mole, it is done again by taking carbon-12 isotope as standard. Okay, we are going to define the term mole by taking again carbon-12 isotope as standard one. Mole is nothing but the amount. Mole refers to the amount or the quantity of a substance. Here, mole is nothing but the number of atoms which are present exactly in 12 gram of carbon-12 isotope. इसका मतलब मोल is nothing but amount. A given कंटेनर में कितना सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट है उसका दूसरा नाम है मोल. और मोल इज द यूनिट ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस. नो डाउट वंस अपॉन ए टाइम देख चुके थे. इसको अगर रिकॉल करना है तो वीडियोस चेक करो पिछले वाले. लेकिन फिलहाल के लिए एक मोल, मोल का मतलब है 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन-12 आइसोटोप में जितने भी आपको एटम्स मिलेंगे उसका दूसरा नाम है मोल. आई एम रिपीटिंग, जब भी आप लोग कार्बन लोगे, कार्बन का वेट कितना है 12. सो 12 ग्राम कार्बन में जितने भी एटम्स या फिर आपको एलिमेंट्स मिलेंगे दैट इज अ मोल. इट मींस जब हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो 1 मोल ऑलवेज कंटेन 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 entities. लिखूंगी मैं, will be writing the term entities instead of using atoms, elements, molecules, so on. Why? Because अगर मैं बात करूंगी 1 mole of water contains, या फिर 1 molecule, मोल के बदले लिख देते हैं 1 molecule of water contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. मतलब यहाँ पे मैं जो भी वर्ड यूज करेंगे वहाँ पे एडिट करना है. दिस विल बी कॉमन. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 will be common. For example, if I take 1 molecule of CO2 contains how many? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. या फिर if I talk 1 atom of CO2 contains, same कहानी, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. मैं molecule नहीं लिखूंगी बल्कि writing the term atom. What I mean to tell is, इसके बाद जब भी आपके पास एक टर्म आता है मोल, उस मोल में कितने एटम्स और कितने एंटिटीज प्रेजेंट रहेंगे? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 1 mole of any substance will be containing 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 entities. Please note the point, it is important. The lifelong it will be applicable. Now, I am just shifting the second term, molar mass. See, H2O एक molecule है. So in the previous class I have taught you how to calculate the mass of this molecule. behind this molecule of water, इसलिए nothing का मतलब one. Okay, अगर मेरे पास 2 moles of water है तो I cannot call it as one molecule of water. Instead, I will call it as what? 2 molecules of water या फिर 2 moles of water. तो यहाँ पे what is happening? One molecule or 1 mole of water का weight, how much you are getting? 18 gram. So this 18 gram of water can I write as 18 gram per mole? No doubt लिख सकते, क्यों? क्योंकि 18 ग्राम किस हिसाब से आ रहा है? 1 mole of water का. So directly what I will replace in the term? The molecular weight of any substance whose amount is 1 mole. या फिर सिंपल भाषा में the molecular weight of 1 mole of a substance is nothing but molecular mass या फिर molar mass. I'm just repeating. The molecular mass of 1 mole of a substance is molar mass. Only 2 definitions I'm repeating. 1 mole. Mole is nothing but the amount of a substance which is present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope, and 1 mole of any substance will contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 entities. उसके कुछ भी हो ना हो, अगर 1 मोल अगर आपके सामने आ रहा है तो आंख बंद करके बोलना कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Same way, what is molar mass? Mass of 1 mole of any substance is nothing but our molar mass. And I will just replace one more term, that is formula mass. Okay, see all the term: molar mass, molecular mass, formula mass. तीनों भी एक जैसे आपको मिलेंगे. They are all similar. How? This term formula mass, it is applicable to the molecule which are ionic. Ionic compounds कैसे बनेंगे, क्यों बनेंगे, we will see in the upcoming videos. But here I just want to tell that we are having some ionic compounds. Take an example, NaCl. Sodium chloride is a ionic compound wherein the bond present between the two entities is purely ionic. Okay, so यहाँ पे ऐसे वाले molecule के बीच में जो bond है वो ionic है, इस वजह से उन compound का नाम ionic. And ये story इसका detail हम आगे पढ़ेंगे, बता चुकी हूँ. But here यहाँ पे the molecules which are ionic, if I calculate the masses, no doubt what is the mass of sodium? 23 plus what is the mass of chlorine? Mass मतलब atomic mass, it is 35.5. इसका आंसर water will get 58.5. That will be no doubt gram. 58.5 is nothing but the formula mass of sodium chloride. What I mean to tell is formula mass is nothing but the molecular mass of compound only. But this formula mass will be applicable for the molecule which are ionic in nature. I cannot apply this formula mass for the molecule which are covalently bonded, just like water. Water में मैं formula mass नहीं बोल सकती, but in case of ionic compounds I can calculate the term, that is ionic compounds, I can calculate the